Investing can seem like a daunting task, especially for those who are new to the game. However, it doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. In this video, we're going to share 10 simple ways to start investing for beginners. Number 1. Open a savings account. A savings account is the foundation of any investment plan. It's where you'll keep your emergency fund and start building your nest egg. Look for a high-yield savings account with no monthly fees and a low minimum balance requirement. Number 2. Set financial goals. Before you start investing, it's important to have a clear idea of what you're working towards. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, starting a business, or planning for retirement, setting financial goals will help guide your investment decisions. Number 3. Start small. Investing doesn't have to mean putting a large sum of money into the stock market. Start small by setting aside a small amount of money each month and gradually increasing it over time. Number 4. Learn about the different types of investments. There are many different types of investments available, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. It's important to understand the basics of each so you can make informed decisions about where to put your money. Number 5. Get a 401k or IRA. A 401k or IRA is a great way to start investing for retirement. These types of accounts offer tax advantages and compound interest, which can help your money grow over time. Number 6. Consider a robo-advisor. Robo-advisors are online platforms that use algorithms to create and manage a personalized investment portfolio for you. They're a great option for beginners because they're easy to use and require little to no investment knowledge. Number 7. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to successful investing. It means spreading your money across different types of investments and asset classes to minimize risk. Number 8. Use dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a technique where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the share price. This can help you avoid the emotional trap of trying to time the market. Number 9. Keep your investment costs low. High investment costs can eat into your returns over time. Look for low-cost index funds or ETFs to keep your costs down. Number 10. Stay disciplined. Investing requires discipline and patience. Stick to your plan and don't make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Starting to invest may seem intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. By following these 10 simple steps, you can start building your nest egg and working towards your financial goals. Remember to always do your research and consult a financial advisor if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information valuable and informative. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on achieving financial success. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you